There is a tiny courtroom downtown. Not many people know that it even exists. It's set up to hear cases against drivers who have unpaid tolls and fines. Now, unlike most courtrooms, what happens there is largely a secret because state law allows the Harris County Toll Road Authority to keep all the records private. But for the past 2 months, Channel 2 Investigates has been working behind the scenes to uncover a system that's stacked against drivers. Amy Davis discovered a private law firm is running the show there and collecting millions of dollars in the process.
They're trying to hide something. They're trying to hide the amount of money that they collect every year.
Tucked upstairs on the 3rd floor of this building in downtown Houston is where thousands of toll violators are summoned to appear.
They're trying to hide the amount of people that get sued every year.
750 drivers sued every week.
They said that I would get a warrant if I didn't show up.
You can actually go to jail.
We wanted to take you inside, but the judge wouldn't allow it.
We're trying to get a copy of the docket today of everyone who's scheduled to appear here for cases.
Okay, I don't have a comment on that right now.
I think it's nonsense. Courtrooms are public places. It is very clear. A courtroom is a public place.
Attorney Corey Roth takes issue with this court. State law allows Harris County to make its own rules and hire a private law firm to do the dirty work of collections and prosecutions of drivers accused of running tolls. The law firm Harris County Commissioners approved is Linebarger, Goggin, Blair & Sampson, the same firm that has donated $80,000 to commissioners since getting the contract.
Linebarger is a private debt collector, but since it's collecting on behalf of a government agency, it has its own sort of easy pass. None of the consumer protection laws apply, like the requirement to provide proof you actually owe a debt. And there is no statute of limitations, meaning they can come after you years later.
My first question was, why haven't I been alerted about this?
Stephen Devidanum's unpaid tolls were from 2015, even though he has an easy tag and receives statements from the Harris County Toll Road Authority every month showing he's got plenty of money in his account. When he called to add a rental car in February, a customer service agent gave him the bad news.
Did you know that you have a $762 balance? And I said, no, I wasn't aware of that. I didn't drive to Canada.
Devidanum added this Prius to his account in the summer of 2015. The Toll Road Authority issued him an Easy Plate so he could drive on the toll road until his Easy Tag arrived by mail. Hectra admits it took them 17 days to mail that tag. By the time it arrived, Devidanum's Easy Plate had expired. He racked up $45.50 in unpaid tolls that turned into $724, 16 times what he owed.
I'm not going to pay for a balance that I didn't generate or create.
How much effort does the Toll Road Authority make to actually notify people?
We are bound by state law that all we can do is send it to the address that's on their license plate information.
The Texas Transportation Code does say the authority must send unpaid toll notices to the address of the vehicle's registered owner. Hector says it sent 9 notices before it sent Devidanum's account to collections. 7 of those were returned. But there's nothing stopping Harris County from contacting customers like Devidanum at their email address on file.
By Harris County not making an effort to notify consumers, Linebarger gets more money.
Linebarger gets more money, but you know, number one, we have 1.5 million transactions a day. You know, there are going to be errors.
But they seem to be errors in Linebarger's favor. In the last 3 years, Linebarger has collected $25.2 million for the Harris County Toll Road Authority. It made $28.6 million from all of those extra fees it charged drivers.
It's not fair. It's just not fair.
A lot of Easy Tag customers get slapped with those extra fees when credit cards expire or you get a new one. A lot of people assume that when you link your new credit card to your account, the Toll Road Authority will simply charge it for those unpaid tolls. That doesn't happen. You have to remember to pay those separately. I'm consumer expert Amy Davis, KPRC, Channel 2 News.